Imagine never having to pay for batteries again because you could charge them yourself. You'd save a ton of money in the long run. You could even make good money by offering this as a service, especially when it comes to recharging car batteries, etc. The problem here is that most people don't have a clue as to how they can go about it until now. Over the past few years, a very unique product called as battery reconditioning has been an online bestseller, and thousands of people have bought it and benefited from it. The skeptic may wonder if it's even possible to charge your own batteries. After all, why would anyone want to fork out money on batteries, which can be relatively costly, if they could recharge all their old batteries themselves? These doubts are understandable because there has never been a product like this before. The author of this book, Tom Erickson, shows you how to take batteries which were destined to the trash heap and recharge and restore them. It may seem like something out of a Transformers movie, but that's exactly what his guide shows you how to do. Batteries that are used in cars, mobile devices, golf carts, electric wheelchairs, etc. can all be restored with the methods shown. That is definitely going to save you quite a bit of money in the long run if you use batteries often, and who doesn't? You'll never need to buy batteries, and if you have an entrepreneurial spirit, you could offer a service to recharge people's batteries. If your service costs less than a brand new battery, you'll never be short of customers. The official website for ES Battery Recondition has many positive reviews from satisfied buyers. Let's look at this product in greater detail and see if it's worth your money. The good points. 1. One good point about this guide is that it is written in plain, simple English that's easy to